G'day DIYers. We're just grouting off now. I'm leaving those wedges and clips in just for the time being because I only did them this morning. But it won't take long for them to dry because it's about 36 degrees on the Gold Coast this morning. So it's, this glue won't take long to dry up there. If you see in some of my other videos, I spread my tile and then put it on the wall. The reason for that is because if I spread my wall in this heat, it would skin, and then that means my tile wouldn't stick to the glue. So that's why I spread my my tile. And you'll see in other videos of tilers on YouTube, they spread the wall. I do it a bit differently. Subscribe to my channel and I'll be showing you how to wipe off soon. I won't be doing a great area before I start wiping off, like probably just this wall. In the winter time I could go right around and then start washing off. Not today, Charlie. But it's another bathroom that's about to get finished. Stay tuned. I'll show you how to subscribe. I'll show you how to silicone, lay tiles, set out walls and floors. I'll show you everything. If you want to learn to tile, subscribe to my channel. I'll teach you. Okay, we'll see you soon. Whoop.